All right, chat. So I guess we'll make a video out of this. We gotta replace the oil pan gasket. Look how fucking dirty it is. Yep. We gotta, in order to do all this, we gotta take off kind of like the mid pipe. I don't know what this shit's called, to be honest. I'm not a good mechanic, but yeah, we gotta unbolt 3 bolts right there. They are 14 millimeters, and we gotta unbolt those. And we also gotta take off those at the end. Those are 12 millimeters, and then you gotta hold a wrench. I'll show you guys after I unbolt these. But yeah, lefty loosey up here, and they should come off, and then we'll work on the other side. Oh, and I forgot. I gotta look for the O2 sensors as well. So once I go more deep in there, I'll try to look for them. All right, chat. So in order to look for your O2 sensor, it's literally right here before you hit. You gotta take off these. It's right here. Points out. You just you could barely see it, but you just like, you know, take it off like that. It's gonna be harder for me to show you guys, but it's basically like a clip. If you guys know, you guys know. And also your oil filter is gonna be right there, which I didn't know because I'm barely exploring this car. But yeah, just take that off. It's literally a clip-on, so yeah. Hope that helps. Took off the O2 sensor. It's pretty easy. It's kind of hard at the beginning because you're gonna be frustrated, but I did use a flathead. I came in through this side, and I kind of pried it a little bit while moving it out. And yeah, O2 sensor out. And now we're just gonna unbolt these joints, but it's taking me a while to take them off. But we'll see if we could do it.
So this other one right here might be a bitch though, because the O2 sensor's in the way. But
no, it should be alright. Alright, so Pepe used the impact instead, because that little handily didn't do shit to take it off. So he took off one, he's gonna take off the other one, and then after that we'll work on over here. Alright, so we gotta take off those 14s. There's also one in the way of that we're assuming is in the way. It should be one of those over there. Or what? PV blaster. Sprayed some on because that one didn't want to come off.
PV blaster.
Yep, there you
go. They all came off. Fuck. I thought this was gonna go smooth. I mean it is. It basically is, you know. Somewhat, yeah. It's just I don't know if these look like locking nuts. No, they just look like normal nuts. So the difference between normal nuts and locking nuts is that the locking nuts, this is a normal nut, but the locking nuts have like this slight indentation like in the middle. They're not perfectly round, so whenever like you're tightening it away, it locks itself in there.
Oh, okay.
Preventing it from like coming out or anything. But
yeah.
Fuck. It's just gonna be scary.
Alright, so we loosened it as fuck, but now we gotta hold some part right here. You guys can barely see it. My finger is right there, but there's something holding it against it for not coming off.
Alright, ready?
So we're gonna try this out real quick.
Alright, I'm gonna start.
So this is a 2-man job. Alright, go.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so that technique definitely worked. We got the 3rd bolt out finally. And there you go. That comes out the exhaust. Fucking A, bruh. Alright.
So
now, oh, we gotta look for the disc. Hold up. Alright, first oil change on this puppy. And after this, we'll get onto the gasket. But pouring it out right now. Be aware for sure. Make sure you guys drain it first. But because the exhaust was in the way, so it spilled, as you can see. But yeah, it's just fucking dark as fuck. Alright, check it out. We have to get the oil filter as well. Here's the part number. We're gonna throw that on, and after that we gotta take off the flywheel disc, right?
The flywheel plate.
Yeah, flywheel plate. So once we see it, we'll show you guys how to do it.
We're taking off this cover on Mikey's thing in order to get to the oil pan bolts that are right behind this thing right here.
Yep. So there's 4 bolts, 2 14s, 2 12s. Seat, Where's the other small ones?
They're really high up here.
Oh, they're all the way up there. Okay.
All the way up there.
So right now we're just taking out the 14.
Yep. This right here.
There you go, yeah. So when that comes out.
Which
we're gonna have to take the, also maybe that wasn't on before on the video, so it's just in case you have that.
Yep.
You take it off, you for sure take it off, because in the video it was, or I don't know, but yeah, those should be 12s, 10s.
That's me, my 10.
So we gotta use 10.
Yep.
There's 3 10s.
Yep.
We gotta take off that last one's a thing. There we go.
Just like
Boom.
that.
Alright.
Now your oil pan can come out.
Now we can take off the oil pan, but we just gotta take off the 10 mils all around. And that should drop. Yep. We're taking off all the 10 millimeters that are off, but we're breaking them loose so that when they're loose, we could take it off with the impact, and it'll come off easy. Yeah. So yeah, there's quite a bit. So, how are you guys? Just when you guys are doing it, search for all of them. All right. Moment of truth. Oh! Let's go.
There you go. And this is your gasket.
Fuck. It's the same one.
Either that or the last people didn't clean it. Well, your shit doesn't look that bad.
Alright then.
Alright. Now time to do the most fucking annoying job in the planet.
Cleaning it?
Yep.
Yep. So we gotta clean it, but we have 18 bolts in total for that fan. Alright, so now we're gonna pressure wash it because it's dirty as fuck. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. Alright, so we just got finished up cleaning the pan. It's all clean now. And then right now we're just gonna work on sealing it up. Here we go. Got this adhesive sealant from AutoZone. And then same thing, we got the gasket right here. I had the old one before, but at the same time, there was a couple bolts that were loose on the Honda. So maybe it was the fact it was leaking because it wasn't tightened right. Or one of my friends is saying it could be the rear main seal, but hopefully it's not that. But we'll figure it out right now. Alright, so we got the gasket on here, and we're just gonna put some sealant underneath. Try to get as much on the corners, because that's what they're saying where it leaks a lot. But yeah, just make sure you have it in place correctly. And then once we spray some underneath, then that's when we'll put some on top and then put it in. Alright, so we got the fresh new looking pan.
Yeah, I'm gonna just run them in with this shit.
For sure.
That way they could be fitted tight, but I'm not gonna tie them though.
Alright. Yeah, so basically we're just putting everything back together, everything we took off. And meanwhile, Pepe's helping me put everything back. I'm gonna put some oil. It's like 3/4 and a half, I believe. Yeah, we'll catch up with you guys, see if it turns on, see if there's any more leaks or not. And yeah, hopefully we did a good job. We'll see. Turns out we got a fucked up thread where it's that bolt that connects for the exhaust. So the other two fit on perfectly fine. It's just this one. We're gonna see if we could find a replacement for it because the threading is cooked. All right, so we got these hex nuts, and then we also got basically a wheel stud. We'll see if that works. If it grabs on. Hopefully.
Yep.
All right.
And just like that, we're done.
All right. So we put basically a lug nut on there to hold it up, and then the hex nut that I showed you guys. All right. Now the results. We turn it on. Let's find out.
Is it in park?
Yeah. No, neutral.
We're gonna put it in park.
All right.
to start, and then.
Alright, so just in case I forgot to show you guys the part for the wheel stud. Here's the part number for you guys Honda Civics. That's the wheel stud you guys are gonna want if you guys fuck up the threads and you can't find them. You can find it at O'Reilly's.